Sao Paulo, Brazil. With 20 million people living together in 1.5 thousand kilometers square, it is one of the hugest and most diverse cities in the world, blending all the nations together to build a warm, Brazilian culture. The city is full of life. The neighborhood markets are crowded and colorful, with fresh and unique tropical fruits. The green city oasis brings different people together without distinction and creates a harmonic atmosphere within the chaos. The young generation brings energy to public spaces and universities. This is MEC. MEC is a museum connected to one of the most recognizable public universities in Brazil. Although being a university museum and located in the heart of the city, MEC doesn't have the same atmosphere as the university. You might be asking why. Because of the students. We found out that they are the main ingredient to make that happen. MEC is part of the University of Sao Paulo, which is a public institution supported by 3 columns: learning, research, and extension. This last one has not been done properly throughout the years. So we asked ourselves. So that is why we created MacLab. It is a multifunctional and changeable pop-up place for students to use the museum as an intellectual playground, bringing the whole society together. What can you use it for, you might be thinking? Inside the lab you can exhibit works, arrange social events, make cooking shows, do film screenings, music presentations, art performances, discussion groups, talks, and what else your mind can imagine. It works like this. You can apply for a space and a committee of students, people from MEC, USP, and representatives of society pick out the most relevant, original, or exciting ideas to occupy the lab. With MacLab, we also wanted to reach all the corners of the city. It exports the museum to the outskirts of the city and connects with communities through workshops and social events while bringing the neighborhood atmosphere and people to the museum. So, MacLab has the aim to create, teach, and work as the university business card in the city center. Therefore, the service aims to connect the university through the academic community to the society and then attract sponsors and fundings to make Mac more fun and alive. So come and join us, be part of MacLab, or we will come to you.